Hi, my name is Brandon Chase, and I am the Senior Product Marketing Manager for Cooling Products here at Lennox. Lennox is excited to announce the release of two new multi-stage products to our Merit lineup, the 16HCX air conditioner and the 16HPX heat pump. Reliable performance comes standard with the entire Merit series. Designed to last, every Merit product delivers heating and cooling your customer can depend on. Merit systems provide the best value in heating, cooling, and ventilation systems. The Lennox Merit Series 16ACX air conditioner and 16HPX heat pumps are economical, efficient, and reliable, offering higher efficiency, improved airflow, and better indoor air quality. For more information on the 16ACX and 16HPX, visit the LennoxPros.com product page for literature, sales tools, and online tutorials in the Learning Center. Thanks for watching.